guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is a remake of a video I made a little while back, probably like a year ago. And I know a lot of my channel is based on like fashion. Why did I do that? Do I think I'm not actually fashionable? Probably. This website is a way that you can get products sent to you for free. This is called PinchMe, and it says on the side, pinchme.com, try products from leading brands for free. But basically then they send your samples to your house and then you get them like this. I'm gonna unbox this box. I'm gonna open this box and show you guys what is inside. Basically, this is an influencer box. So this has some ideas of samples that you could get, but it's not like if you request the samples, you'll get this exact box. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know if I explain well at all, but I'm gonna show you what's in here. So this will give you like some ideas of what could arrive in your box. I did open it up before because this is my second time filming. That's like kind of a problem I have. I'm really a perfectionist, so I refilm a lot of videos. But I filmed it a while ago, so I don't really remember, to be honest. So let's go and open the box. Before I do that, give this a like if you're enjoying. I'm really thirsty for likes, but I mean. Okay, the first thing in here is this sheet of stickers. I'm a big sticker fan. I recently, if you saw my last video where I made my bulletin board, I guess like 2 videos ago or whatever it is now, I put a bunch of stickers on like my collage bulletin board thing, so I will for sure add some of these. Also, I'm excited because they have ones that are like very me, I feel like. They have one that says yikes. I love that. They have cherries, stars, they have a lightning bolt, very me. I'll do a beauty guru thing. Yeah, these are the stickers. They're from the brand Ava NYC, and actually, there are other products in here by Ava NYC, so I'll show you guys those. So Ava NYC also has hair products in the box, so we have those here. We have a therapy session hair mask. I'm a big hair mask girl, I haven't had a haircut in a while, kind of gross, so we're just gonna try and bring back the moisture with a hair mask. Then we have a Clean It Up shampoo. Ooh, it says on here it has protein and argan oil, which I need because my hair can get very dry, as I was saying. Then we have this. This looks fun. Main Magic 10-in-1 primer. 10-in-1. Are they gonna tell me what the 10 are? I don't know, it doesn't say. Might be wrong, but I think this might be like a heat protectant. I don't really know, but I'll spray some in my hair. She smells good. We'll spray more. Literally my hair's gonna be like a grease. Whoa, whoa. Okay. It feels like an oil. I'm getting oil vibes. I like that. I feel like a beauty guru. But, you know, especially since it's summer, we need some good moisture and oil in our hair because it can get very frizzy from the humidity. You know how it is. Yeah, so get this product. No, actually I really like it, but I'm not normally like making beauty vids. Comment down below if I should. I kind of want to make like a get ready with me thing, but I don't know if people want to see that or if that would get like negative views, but. Okay, then is this Biore Free Your Pores Baking Soda Acne Cleansing Foam. I need this. What do I do with this now? I'll wipe it on my leg. Classy, yum. Ooh, wait, it smells so good. It smells like grapefruit. I like that. Wait, I was expecting it to be like unscented because it seems like the type, it's literally called acne foam. So I was like, this is gonna be unscented and like nothing. It smells like grapefruit. I like it. And in the back it says, clears up acne blemishes, need it. Penetrates pores to control acne blemishes, need that. I just realized I had the wrong amount of fingers though. It helps prevent new acne blemishes from forming, really need that. So I'm excited to try this. Always a fan of a new cleanser. Especially, I really like Biore. They have like the nose strip things. I love those. Wait, actually speaking of that, I think there's one in here. This also came with the pore strip and I love these so much. So basically Biore gave a limited edition pore strip. This is like a genius marketing idea for them. It's literally like a kind of like tie-dye, like paint splatter pore strip. High focus. I'm doing the beauty guru thing and you're not in focus. I might be too excited about literally a pore strip, but what you gonna do? I love pore strips. Biore Deep Cleansing Nose Strips work like a magnet, instantly locking into and lifting out deep down dirt, oil, and blackheads so you can get the deepest clean. Getting one for free, especially because like these are pretty expensive. I mean, I think they're worth it, but getting a free one, not mad about it. Okay, next is a toothpaste, which I think is funny. What was cool, this is a natural toothpaste called Dr. Sheffield's Premium Natural Toothpaste. And this is extra whitening, which I'm a big fan of. Okay, I think the packaging's cool. It has like a very vintage packaging thing. Basically, it says fluoride free, and I am honestly not like educated about toothpaste or like, I mean, I don't know. I'm assuming that like fluoride is not super healthy for your body, but oh, but it also says no synthetic detergents, no synthetic foaming agents, no artificial preservatives, which I know is like super important, no artificial colors, flavors, sweeteners, no GMOs, no animal testing. Animal testing is obviously huge. Dr. Sheffield would never have envisioned a future where toothpaste would be filled with synthetic substances. I feel like if you have the opportunity to be natural and do things that are healthier for your body and the environment, why would you not do it? So I'll have to see if this is good, and if it is, like, definitely would recommend. I like that message a lot. So next we have some food. Okay, this first thing, I don't know. Okay, these are, you ready? Wait, it's like open, so they're spilling everywhere. These are spicy Skittles. I don't know how to feel, to be honest. If I liked spicy more, maybe I would like them, but I don't know, it's just like weird, like the spice and then like the sweet kicks in and I'm like overwhelmed with so much at once. I don't know how to feel. And then more food. This is a cookie and this is called Slim Fast Bake Shop. I'm not trying to lose weight, so this isn't super, I don't know about like the hunger control, but I tasted it. It tastes kind of like a, what are those called? Like a Cliff Bar kind of. It's more like granola bar than like a cookie, but it tastes good. Like not mad about it, honestly, in terms of like flavor type thing. But yeah, not trying to slim fast. So, okay, one more thing in my box. There's also so many Skittles in the bottom, I swear. Okay, the last thing is this Dove exfoliating body polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. It's in this little like sample thing, but to be honest, wait, can I get it? This is like a good size thing. It's like enough, I feel like. It also smells really good, so I'm a big fan of that. Big Dove girl. So yeah, fun. Can't wait to try it. That sounded so fake. No, I actually am excited to try it. I promise. But yeah, that's everything in the PinchMe box, minus these Skittles in the bottom. As always, have a great day. Comment other video requests down below in the comment section, or comment anything and I will most likely reply. Also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe because way more uploads will be coming soon. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Rockstar time.